Guys, so far I've had this thing for about 2 weeks. It's been a good machine so far. I really like it. Um, yeah, definitely. I think I paid $6,500 for this thing, and the first week I had it, um, I did like one day of going out and doing some stump grinding jobs that were actually paying jobs, and I made like $1,100 on it. So I think in about a week you could probably pretty easily pay it off. Of course, I've been grinding a bunch of stumps out here in the wood yard. I think I ground like 18 of them so far. So definitely put in some work with this thing. Haven't had any problems out of it yet. The teeth are still in pretty decent shape. It's a little on the slow side, but obviously for the price, it's fast enough. So I would definitely recommend, if you have the Bobcat MT100 or MT85 or whatever, this is definitely a good attachment to get. So yeah, we'll grind some more stumps with it and show you how it does. So here's the grinding wheel. I think it's if I remember correctly, I think it's a 20-inch. It doesn't have like too terribly many teeth, so it should be pretty easy to replace them. I've done a lot of stumps with this thing and hit a bunch of rocks with it, and I don't know if you can see, the teeth still look pretty good. You can definitely tell they got some dings in them, but they're in decent shape. The good thing about it is these teeth are only like $300 for a whole set of them, so it's not too bad. It's got this little cylinder right there that lifts it up and pushes it down. That cylinder back there does it back and forth. It's got a little Parker pump thing. I've heard good stuff about them. It's got this cool little shield thing that you can fold out, and just to keep the chips from hitting anything like a car or something. Got this cool mesh stuff that'll keep the chips from hitting you in the face. Alrighty guys, so down here we got a little, I don't know, maybe like a 10-inch little cedar stump. We're gonna go ahead and knock it out. And then we got another one right over there about the same size, so let's see what happens. looks like that took about 4 minutes to grind. Definitely not the fastest grinder in the world, but it got it done, I guess. And we got this little cedar stump over here. Let's see here, right down there. Gonna grind that one real quick. And then back over there, I don't know if you can see that, right by the dirt pile, got this little black walnut stump. Gonna cut it down a little lower and then we'll grind that one down too. There we go, let's cut that stump down. That's a pretty decent sized stump. We'll go ahead and grind it. Alrighty guys, I guess that pretty much wraps up today's video. Yeah, I really like this thing. If I had to do it all over again, I'd definitely get this thing again. Of course, I like my MT100 a lot. It's a great machine. It's 25 horsepower, so this thing is pretty fast for being such a small machine. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video.